CBSE Biology, Class 10, Chapter 6, Life Processes.
Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students like. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph, and questions are in yellow color, while answers in white color. What are the different parts of the alimentary canal? After buccal cavity, the long tube-like part is called esophagus. Next one is sac-like stomach. The next is long tubular small intestine, longest part of the alimentary canal. The next is broad large intestine, cecum, colon and rectum collectively, and anus for the exit of the waste. When we eat something that we like, our mouth waters. What is it? And write two functions of this. When we eat something that we like, our mouth waters. This is actually not only water, but a fluid called saliva, secreted by the salivary glands. Saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase that breaks down starch, which is a complex carbohydrate molecule, into sugars. The food is mixed thoroughly with saliva and moved around the mouth while chewing by the muscular tongue, and saliva helps us to swallow the chewed food. Salivary amylase breaks down starch into simple absorbable sugars. What is called peristaltic movement? The lining of alimentary canal, also called digestive tract or the gut, has muscles that contract rhythmically in order to push the food forward. This rhythmic muscle contraction, the peristaltic movements, occur all along the gut. Which enzymes are present in pancreatic juice? Pancreatic juice, which contains the enzymes such as trypsin for digesting proteins and lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. How food is pushed forward along the gut. The food is pushed forward along the gut by the peristaltic movements which occur all along the gut. What are the importance of gastric glands? The gastric glands are present in the wall of the stomach. These release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. Hydrochloric acid creates an acidic medium which facilitates the action of the enzyme pepsin in its digestion process. The other function by the acid is that hydrochloric acid softens the food we eat. Food can be made into a paste-like form that helps in digestion process. Mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of the acid and also protein digesting enzyme under normal conditions. Enzyme pepsin starts digestion of proteins in stomach. What are the role of the enzymes present in intestinal juice? The enzymes present in intestinal juice finally convert the proteins to amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol.
What is called the esophagus? Esophagus is the food pipe from the mouth through which the food is taken to the stomach when we swallow food.
How the exit of food from stomach is regulated. The exit of food from the stomach is regulated by a sphincter muscle, the pyloric sphincter, which releases the partially digested food in small amounts into the small intestine.